that say, no, don't pass the relief bill if it doesn't include a stimulus check. Now, time to check in with our own Jesse Irwin. Look at what's going on around town the holiday season. What you got for us?
All right, so we got ourselves quite a few things actually, Michael, this week, and so I want to highlight just a few of those, both for those staying home and for those of us looking to get out of the house for a little bit. So, all right, first let's check out what the internet has for us here. We're going to start with the Silent Night auction. It's a holiday auction being put on by the Neosho Arts Council. It's a really, really cool event. I mean, the Neosho Arts Council is hosting the online auction to fund the restoration of 3 historic murals. Now, their goal is $40,000, and they have all sorts of pieces available that local artists have put up for auction on there. And of course, a portion of your purchase goes to the artist as well. And you just go to neoshoarts.net for details, and you can check out how to bid on an item. It's pretty cool stuff. Next, if you're looking for a reason to get out of the house, here's a fun show you can check out that starts tonight, actually. It's 7:30. It's being put on by Dream Theater Group. It's the Yuletide Ghost Tales at Studio 124. It's inspired by the Smithsonian article, A Plea to Resurrect the Christmas Tradition of Telling Ghost Stories. So Yuletide Ghost Tales, it combines local history and theater. It kind of makes this one-of-a-kind tradition that celebrates the holidays and, of course, the spirits of the past. So $12 tickets. You can get them online. We'll have the link on our morning show page, and just go to KOAMnewsnow.com for that. It is tonight, tomorrow night, and the night after that at 7:30 p.m. in Joplin. And last but not least, if you're looking for a reason to get outside again, I mean, this is a fun one, and you can actually be in your car the entire time pretty much for this one. You might have to get out a little, but here, let me explain it to you. It's called Guess This Song, and businesses in downtown Pittsburgh are making it happen. They're hosting their own game of trivia. Several of them are decorating their windows in the theme of a classic Christmas song. And what do you want? They want you to guess what song their display is based around. So they'll have QR codes in their windows, and you can just scan the QR code. It'll take you to the link for the form where you can fill out all of your guesses. And there's a bunch of businesses doing this. You fill it out, submit it online, and the winner gets 100 chamber bucks. So we'll have the link for that as well, all on our morning show page at KOAMnewsnow.com. But Michael, it's pretty cool stuff. There's a lot going on, and that's not all of it, but it's just sort of a taste of what you can do this weekend and this holiday season.
I'm going to take you out on Broadway. I'm going to say I can name it in 5 notes. You're going to say you can name it in 4. We'll count down. We'll see who does well. And then Jen will swoop in and just be like, guys, it's such and such in 1 note. We'll be like, ugh!
She would have asked all the shop owners ahead of time.
All right, good stuff, my man. We'll check back in with you in just a little bit. Let's come back, talk temperatures here right after this.